Nigeria's new financial gatekeeper, TMRAS, takes center stage. The Nigerian government is making a significant change to its financial system. It is replacing Remita, the current payment gateway, with a new system called TMRAS. TMRAS stands for Treasury Management and Revenue Assurance System. This change signifies Nigeria's commitment to modernizing its financial infrastructure. TMRAS promises to bring more efficiency and transparency to government revenue management. This move is being closely watched by stakeholders in Nigeria's digital economy. The transition from Remita to TMRAS began on March 4, 2025. This shift marks the end of Remita's decade-long reign as the gateway for the Treasury Single Account, or TSA. The TSA is a crucial component of Nigeria's financial system. It consolidates government funds into a single account at the Central Bank of Nigeria. This system is designed to enhance accountability and reduce corruption. The implementation of TMRAS will happen in two phases. This phased approach is designed to ensure a smooth transition and minimize disruption. The first phase will focus on Naira transactions. This includes payments and collections in the local currency. During this phase, the Office of the Accountant General of the Federation will leverage TMRAS's capabilities. These include managing bank statements, tracking balances, and automating tax deductions. The second phase of the TMRAS rollout is scheduled to begin on June 1, 2025. This phase will expand the system's functionality to include foreign exchange transactions. This means TMRAS will handle payments and collections in foreign currencies. Additionally, Phase 2 will see the integration of TMRAs with MDA Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP systems. This integration is crucial for streamlining financial processes across government agencies. TMRAS is not merely a replacement for Remita. It represents a significant step forward in Nigeria's financial management. The new system is designed with a focus on transparency and accountability. One of its key features is the automation of deductions and remittances. This means internally generated revenue from federal agencies will be automatically deducted and remitted to the Treasury. This automation reduces the potential for human error and manipulation, promoting transparency. To ensure the integrity of the system, only government-approved payment companies will be authorized to collect revenue through TMRAS. Payment service providers, also known as PSPs, will play a vital role in the new ecosystem. They will be required to connect to the Central Bank of Nigeria's payment gateway and be profiled for listing on TMRAS. This rigorous vetting process is in place to maintain the system's security and credibility. The launch of TMRAS marks a new chapter in Nigeria's journey towards a robust digital economy. While the long-term impact on Remita remains to be seen, the company has weathered previous challenges. The government's decision to develop its payment system reflects a broader trend of technological self-reliance. This move could potentially lead to the development of more homegrown solutions. The success of TMRAs will depend on several factors, including the seamless integration with existing systems, the government's commitment to its adoption, and the system's ability to adapt to future technological advancements. As Nigeria continues to position itself as a leader in the African tech space, the performance of TMRAs will be under scrutiny. Its success could pave the way for similar innovations in other sectors, further solidifying Nigeria's place as a digital powerhouse.